From the trading desk of Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming April 13th trading session. I've got the S&P 500 in front of you. You can see that we have yet again used the 2040 level as support in the S&P 500, but this time we're closing towards the top of the candle. We're not forming a shooting star, and we did break a little bit higher, so this shows quite a bit of resiliency. I think 2080 will be targeted and then eventually 2100. It looks like 2040 is going to be supportive, but I actually have the absolute floor in the market closer to the 2000 level, so I am willing to buy short-term pullbacks. And over here in the NASDAQ100, you can see that we initially fell but turned right back around at the 4,440 level. And there's a lot of things I can say about this chart. Number one, I feel that this area up here is going to be a bit of a fight to get through. But right now, I have this market tracking to the 47.25 level, which is basically the top of this. I think it'll be a lot of back and forth. I don't think it's going to be an easy move because there's so much resistance to chew through. But another thing that has caught my attention, we are starting to form a little bit of a bullish flag. So there's a couple different reasons to think that we're going higher, and then not the least of which is that the NASDAQ 100 tends to lead the other indices in the United States, and we have a somewhat dovish Federal Reserve, so I think stock markets in general will do fairly well over the longer term. The NASDAQ 100 will probably lead them. At this point, I feel that 4,400 is essentially the floor.